So how do you open up an AirTag on your, the one you use with your iPhone and everything? So how can you get inside in there? Well, let me explain it. And if it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get started. So first of all, if you have it in any kind of protective case like I do, the first step is to take it out to make sure that we don't have any accessories attached to it. And right now, what we can do is essentially, you can see that it fits in here nicely. It is connected together. What you have to do is kind of like grab it like this and press in on the thing, on the metal pod, on the metal circle with both of your thumbs and twist it toward the left, right? So this is what we are going to do. Like you hold down on it like this, make sure you turn it, right? And now you can see I slided it back, but like you can twist it like this and now it should pop up. So this metal thing gets removed and you get access to the battery. Like the only reason really we can get inside is to replace the battery. There isn't really much else to do with it. Like officially you are not allowed to like get inside and like, modify the things in there. There isn't really much to do. So if you, let's say, replace the battery with a new one, you can see the battery has to be kind of like there. It doesn't stay there. So you have to close the lid. And now again, you do the very same thing. You press it tightly, slide it and twist it to the right. And now it fits properly. So again, as I say, the only reason why you might want to do it is to replace the battery, but that's how you can open up the AirTag. Obviously, if anything changes, if there's like a new one released and the mechanism is going to be different, I'll definitely make an updated video about it. So make sure you stay tuned by subscribing and I'll see you in the future videos.